Hey guys, Trebor7 here. Hope all is well with you and yours. I'd like to welcome you to Free Psychic Test ESP Cards Part 4. And if you've missed Parts 1 through 3 or the tutorial and demonstration, I will flick a card up there to the playlist. You can check it all out. And for those of you who are crunched on time or happen to be starting in the middle of this series, real quickly I will give you a rundown of the 5 basic shapes of the Zinner ESP test cards. First one being the circle, and then the square, then the intersecting lines, and wavy lines, and star. You should know those. You should have those memorized so you're not guessing, oh my gosh, is it the triangle? So if you haven't got it memorized, go back and watch it a few more times and make sure you know those cards by heart. Okay, and we're going to stick with the basic 10 card test just to keep it simple. And briefly, for those of you who aren't familiar with my method that I've described in my tutorial, I just want to kind of explain. Well, first I want to explain why I do it this way. And it's these little windows of opportunity. For example, when the phone rings and you automatically know who it is, were you trying to do that? No, it's just something that happens naturally. And it's the same way with these ESP cards, guys. If you'll just get in the right frame of mind, that calm, relaxed, empty, open, receptive, broad gaze, not focusing, not trying, the same trance I've been talking about for 5 years now. If you just get in that right frame of mind and just let it happen. And the little windows of opportunity are when I pull it from the deck, when I place it still, when I raise it to the camera, and when I flick. Those are all little opportunities or phone calls where you can get a flash of this image. And for me, it's just a fraction of a second. I mean, so quick you can probably barely recognize what it is. And if you're trying to look at it, you're going to miss it. That's kind of the way it is. So don't try, just let it happen. And there's 2 ways to approach this. Now, if I do all this and you saw nothing, sometimes it's better just to say pass than guess circle and then get revealed and say, oh, because then you got that negativity. So you can just say pass. We're just doing this for fun. I do not recommend trying to keep score. And in fact, when you try to keep score, it engages the left brain and probably going to reduce your chances of guessing correctly. So that's basically it. And if you want more information, again, you use the card to go back and watch the tutorial, and actually to practice, several of these right in a row would be quite handy. I went back and did my old ones, and it was fun. So here we go. Let's have some fun, relax, and I wish you the best.